Ma talk say when then they grow to rub your wife head, all those things now they are all just flighty moves. Say, but now we they do all sorts of things. So maybe.
And Lolo, you know, say this kissing thing now also another way to transfer bacteria to small picking them, especially when these small picking are still small. Their immunity they're quite low. Now I even get problem when just on, like a but sometimes saliva go exchange. Sometimes in some cases I even get more problem with outsiders. When they do to people picking.
No.
I mean, outsiders, this one now, if they can't newborn baby give it, how? No, now.
That's true. Because these days we have to be careful. Because one of us will born picking one of these days, I will go do party. Because our husband, these days, we know that as he moves, they be. Because in Waka,
nobody
strange. He outside now they look us. If you don't, you know, say this one where they go Abuja, they don't give a petroleum permit now, and that is one of his businesses. Before we know what thing they happen, he go there Abuja. If you go the kiss girls, enter now.
Come kiss our children with the same mouth.
Bring that same mouth. Come carry the bacteria full inside.
We don't want all those kinds of things.
Me, I wonder.
I don't matter and say me, my levels na international.
This one where they don't give them petroleum permit. You go see jolly.
Why you
Abuja go see them?
We thank God say Benin Witch not there here today. We no go let person see road.
Benin Witch.
Go stand there, Oluchi, where they beat you well.
No.
I been on my side, you won't start because I'm going to start to slap you too.
One for my landlady made them today with you.
Where Benin Princess today? Where she dey?
Old age don't dey enter.
Maybe na the kissing where they do, now give her virus where she dey take.
The steps don't change now. Old age don't dey enter.
Honorable.
Body no be as it be before.
Honorable.
You know what's all good morning?
Good morning, viewers. I see say jealousy full for house. Seriously.
But not be me.
Even in my absence, people they kick.
Why you they kick your leg? You walk on kick me with the leg.
That's old age. Into old age, they make me be like baby.
How far with this petroleum permit where they don't give you? Why you go start to import food?
I know, now that, you know, getting another issue. Let us discuss national issue.
Now you be national issue now.
I can discuss any petroleum business issue with
okay, because your business, they don't give you permit. Not to say to collect the same job money.
At all.
Okay, make us start up the business. Man, see, make even make.
You go give us subsidy for house.
The time where they been common license from him, he they come everywhere. You never even reach how many months he go carry Benin Witch.
You're different. You're a body digger. That's what you are.
My medical allowance is not reducing. Even though they won't bring out ban now, new law say we're not going to travel overseas for medical assistance. Honorable, now only you not going to go. As for me, honorable, you go give me that money and I must go for the medical.
Your house will start up the business.
With business.
Make that time come.
Honorable, forget it.
I will prove it to you, all of you.
I am a gold digger.
Except for,
honorable me, gold digger.
My own and only sincere. I mean, we are just missing here. But the rest of now.
We go put you inside bottle. I get in your name bottle.
Thank God say they perfect before Nigeria. Nigeria's not the
we go put them inside bottle.
What you go do? We cook matter and tell Nigerians make them here. So they go, when it happen, they go hold.
You want to hold me? It is not possible. There is no action.
Maybe they don't give you petroleum permit.
You cannot. So therefore, all our allowances go increase.
Anyway, I will step out of here. But
why you come
bouncing now? Bouncing. Go
there. Very soon the money will start rolling in. Make them say anybody go make mistake. Come tell me say from that money now I come listen. Now from the other money now they.
I beg.
You will see.
Honorable, old school. We are old school. We don't roll like that.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.